Hi everyone, this is Henry Serrano. Just going over some of the agenda that I'm going to be doing this weekend in regards with the tax live lien auction I'll be attending on December 4th. So I'll be going through a process each day. Day one, which is today, December 1st. I'm going to be focusing on just researching the county. I'm going to be going over some of the information, just getting an idea as far as the process, the types of properties here in this county, any type of, I would probably say, things that may come up within any type of research, which is really key in regards with it. December 2nd, I'm actually going to be physically viewing the property, just making sure, obviously, if it's a house, it's in good condition, the best that I can. If it's vacant land, just see, the accessibility, see if there's a lot of trees, any junk, anything on there. December 3rd is actually going to be the live auction, which I'll be attending there in person. In regards to it, this is the first event that I'm doing. As I mentioned, if most of you know, when I deal any type of vacant land, I typically don't research it, but this is fairly new because there's also many houses that are going to be involved. So this is my first live event. You're going to be going through the process, just getting an idea of how to go about it, just a different strategy to be able to look at. And then December 4th through 6th, when I get back into California, I'll recap on some of the things that I've done there. So each day I'm just kind of recording here, and you can follow along exactly what I do. And hopefully if you have any questions in regards with that, you can go ahead and do that. But I'll be going over some of the reviews and some of the agenda, what to expect whenever you try to attend any of these type of events. So I will keep you posted, and hopefully, like I said, we'll get some good value, hopefully get some good properties too.